Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by choosing the right cut. Top round, eye of round, or sirloin tip are the best lean options and often labeled 90% lean. Purchase 2 to 3 lb and ask your butcher to trim fat to about 1/4 inch. Avoid chuck or brisket when your goal is lean stew meat because those have noticeably higher marbling and can increase saturated fat by roughly 25% versus round cuts. Place the chilled roast on a cutting board and remove visible fat down to about 1/4 inch. Use a sharp knife to remove silver skin completely. Chill the beef 20 to 30 minutes to firm muscle fibers, which makes slicing into consistent 3 Oz cubes much easier. Portioning uniform 3 Oz pieces ensures even cooking and a lean mouthfeel, and discarding trimmings or saving them for another use keeps the stew lean without wasting protein. Sear cubes quickly in a heavy pot with just 1 tablespoon of oil to develop browning without adding excess fat. Remove and reserve juices. Deglaze with 1 cup of acidic liquid such as tomato or a splash of vinegar to help tenderize lean muscle during long cooking. Simmer gently on low stovetop or transfer to a 300 degrees F oven and cook covered until tender. Low, slow heat breaks down fibers without needing added fat, producing a moist, lean stew.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.